Hi, you want to save your battery time or you want to protect your eyes while using laptop or PC? Come inside. First log into your YouTube account. Now the YouTube default background is white so that your battery will drain fast. That's why we need to do this setting to protect our eyes and save your battery. For that, click the channel icon here and go to the here appearance tab. Click the arrow mark here and you get the three options: use device theme, dark theme, light theme. Now the default theme is light, so we need to change to dark theme. Yes, done. Now the home page is fully black color, so the display light is affect your eyes very less only. Also save your battery. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel now, because lot of yarning and more useful contents are coming soon. And share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and comment below what are the topics actually you want, because without your interaction I am unable to know what you want. So please comment below what are the topics actually you want.